Okay, here's one thing I want you to know. If you're working on something like I am, okay, and your drip irrigation main pipes are exposed, your main drip irrigation pipe and your 1/4-inch tubing pipes, okay, make sure that when you're walking around, you're careful not to step right there, right there, right there. If you're gonna use this little bugger, make sure you don't put that right next to something and snap it off. Because if you snap it off, if you snapped this little thing off, you're gonna have a little tip on the end of it, like a coupling tip or something. Now you're gonna have to push that into your pipe to then get the new piece on. A new coupling, a new end plug, a new bubbler. I don't like doing bubblers that way. Well, I'll talk about that another time, but then you're gonna have that little tip floating around in your pipe somewhere, possibly getting caught somewhere else. Because I always used to, if I snapped something off accidentally, I would cut the main pipe off, okay, and put a coupling in there. And I've done that several times, and I've got lots of those on different videos, okay? Just be careful right now as you're backing up. Do the best you can. Hey, everything's fixable, right? So if something comes off, something breaks, you can fix it, no problem. All right, just friendly reminder is all. Okay, now I got to get back to work.